everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into two popular trip planning apps, Wanderlog and TripIt, to help you decide which one is better in 2025. As always, quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal opinion and public research, including user feedback and official features listed on each website. Let's start with TripIt. TripIt is known for automatically organizing travel plans by forwarding confirmation emails. On paper, it's convenient, but the recent user reviews say otherwise. With a 1.9 star rating on Trustpilot, many user complaints about login issues, broken password resets, and a lack of live customer support, especially problematic when you're already on the road. Some say they were forced to manually enter bookings that weren't recognized, making the whole process frustrating and slow. Now let's talk about Wanderlog. This app offers collaborative travel planning, map-based itinerary creation, and expense tracking all in one place. It sounds perfect for group trips or long travel routes. But with a 2.9 star rating, it's not without its flaws. Users report math errors and expense splitting, a clunky interface, and a pro version that doesn't quite justify the $40 a year. You also can export itineraries to tools like Excel or Word, which limits how you can share or print plans, a big downside for group coordination. For the final verdict, if you're looking for smoother automation and email-based trip syncing, TripIt might appeal, but be ready for tech hiccups and minimal support. On the other hand, Wanderlog offers more collaboration and visual trip planning, but it still feels like a work in progress, especially for serious planners or pro users. And that's it for today's breakdown. If you tried either app, let me know in the comments what your experience was. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back for more travel tech reviews.